Hi, I found a great book on my shelf to share with you today. It's called That's Good, That's Bad, and it's by a woman named Margery Cuyler. One day, a little boy went to the zoo with his mother and his father. They bought him a shiny red balloon. It lifted him high up into the sky. Wow! Oh, that's good! Oh, that's bad. The balloon drifted for miles and miles until it came to a hot, steamy jungle. It broke on the branch of a tall, prickly tree. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's good. The little boy fell into a muddy river. Splat! He climbed up onto a roly-poly hippopotamus and he rode to shore. Giddy up! Oh, that's good. Oh, that's bad. Ten noisy baboons were squabbling in the grass by the river. They chased that little boy up a tree until he was out of breath. Oh, that's bad. Oh no, that's good. The baboons wanted to play. They wanted to play vine swing with the little boy. What fun! The little boy grabbed a vine and swung out of their reach. Whee! Oh, that's good. Oh, that's bad. The vine was a big, scary snake that wiggled and jiggled and hissed. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. No, that's good. The little boy lost his grips, whoops, and landed on the back of a giraffe. Hooray! Oh, that's good. Oh no, that's bad. The giraffe leaned over to take a drink, some swampy water. The little boy slid down the giraffe's neck and fell into some quicksand next to an elephant. Slop! Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's good. The elephant grabbed the little boy with its trunk and lifted him up onto its shoulders. Whoosh! Oh, that's good. Oh no, that's bad. The elephant thumped bumpily along to a grassy plain where it stopped to feed. The little boy climbed down its trunk and woke up a daddy lion snoring in the grass. Ooh, that's bad. No, that's good. When the lion saw the little boy, it purred and licked the little boy's face. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's bad. The little boy got all wet and sticky. Yuck. And he ran deeper into the jungle. It was dark as night. Ooh! And the little boy, he was afraid. He sat down and he started to cry. Oh, no, that's bad. Oh, that's That's good. His tears made such a big puddle that a stork came along to have a drink. It picked up the little boy with its beak. Whoosh. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's bad. The stork flew the little boy across the dark, windy sky. Flap, 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 flap. The little boy thought he would never see his parents again. Oh, that's bad. No, that's good. The stork knew where it was going. It took the little boy back to the zoo and dropped him into his parents' arms. Plop! His mother and his father were so happy to see him. They gave him a big hug and a big kiss. Oh, that's good. No, that's great. That's good. No, that's great that the little boy got to go back with his parents after his grand adventure in this story. Sometimes things that we think are really good turn out to be, kind of bad. Like, I love ice cream. And if I eat 3 big bowls of ice cream, that's bad. And, I don't really like broccoli. That's bad. But it's good for me to eat it. Right now, when things are kind of crazy in our houses and with school and with our friends and with our grandmas and grandpas, when it's kind of crazy, when we have to stay home, we can't go visit, we can't go to the playground, we have to do our schoolwork at home. That can feel like it's all bad. I wonder if there could be some good. I learned a new game that we played. Well, really, it's an old game, but we forgot. It was Parcheesi. You can ask your parents about it. That was a good part about not seeing my friends. I don't play on a playground, but I can go for a walk, and that's good. And when I go for my walk, I wear a mask, and that's very good. Thanks for listening.
Let his church with